in the apple pie and the sharpshooter. I'm in the overtime like it's sharpshooter. I feel like I'm intruding. She's a friend of mine in the alibi, in the getaway car in overdrive like it's sharpshooter. I like the way you're moving. She's a real life, wow, what's she talking about? I think I love her. Yeah, 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 yeah. So don't come back looking for me. No, you don't. I'll come back looking for you. Yeah. I just wanna be here, walking like an animal. I just wanna teach you everything you do. Let's lose control and utterly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't wanna fight. Butterflies out of sight, out of my mind. I just wanna taste your trust. I just wanna taste your. I just wanna taste your trust. I just wanna taste your. I just wanna dance, baby. I just wanna cry lately. I saw her face from across the room. I was looking at me, looking at you like, hey, cherry blossom. Yeah, yeah, what's your problem? I don't want your leather jacket. I just wanna taste your chapstick. It's sharpshooter. What are we doing? She's a real wildfire. She's hard to contain. She's going hard. Yeah, 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 yeah. She's a real wildfire. She's talking about. I think I love her. I just wanna be here, walking like an animal. I just wanna teach you everything you do. Let's lose control and utterly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't wanna fight. Butterflies out of sight, out of my mind. I just wanna taste your trust. I just wanna taste your. I just wanna taste your trust. I just wanna taste your trust. I just wanna be here, walking like an animal. I just wanna teach you everything you do. Let's lose control and utterly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't wanna fight. Butterflies out of sight, out of my trust. I just wanna dance, baby. I just wanna cry lately.
I was not ready for the role. I was so discontent to wear that heavy load. So I got down on my knees, made a sucker's prayer, rainbow to laugh for. And when nobody did respond, I took my glasses off and went to find a pond, stuffing rocks into the pockets of my pants. When I waded in, those currents carry them away. I wanna love somebody, but I don't know how. I've been so long lonely and And if you're thinking that will always be the case, won't you listen to my plea? Make a sucker's prayer, just go and leave it there. When I wanna love somebody, but I don't know how. I've been so long lonely and it's getting me down. I wanna throw my body in the river and drown. I wanna love somebody, but I don't know how. I wanna love somebody, but I don't know how.
Stop, my friend, and listen. Won't you please set a spell? Stop, my friend, and listen, 'cause I got a story I must tell about some lonely people, myself in return, about the life I'm living and the lessons I have learned. Let me hear you say, I wanna make it all right. One more time, I said, I wanna make it all right. Now I've been to see the businessmen at their Olympian heights. Seen the way they make money, they don't think about people twice. They don't seem to understand that I just ain't made a fool. I ain't learned about money from their old-fashioned school. I've got to tell you, I wanna make it all right. You know that's what I'm here for. I wanna make it all right. Listen to my song. I just woke up this morning, but you'll be sleeping when I'm gone. I'm gonna sing one for the lonely, they can hear it too. Something to make you happy, baby, that's what I'm here to do. Let me hear you say, I wanna make it all right. You know, Lord, wanna make it all right. I wanna make it all right. I wanna make it all right. Make it all right. Can you say I wanna make it all right? Get them with this beat now one time. I wanna make it all right, all right. You know I know we just got to make it all right, all right, all right, all right.
All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. All right, I know you guys all went out to the after parties last night, so everybody's a little tired, probably not enough coffee, but this is day 2 of Dig South. We're all really excited to be here and to see some of the great sessions and pitches that are happening here today. So one more time, good morning, everybody. There we go. There we go. My name is Juan Garzon. I am the Executive Director of Innovate Charlotte, and I'm thrilled to be here at Dig South to help out with some of the emceeing today. We've got some amazing wild pitch events coming up. There's one session at 9:50. There's another one at 11:40. You can check that out on the Hoover app, as well as some other talks and sessions that are going on throughout the day. Don't forget, you can also network, meet other people there on the Hoover app, and connect with some of the sponsors and some of the people that you've seen here today. So we want to give a really quick shout out to the College of Charleston. A little round of applause to the College of Charleston for hosting us here today. Thank you, guys. And we want to give you a reminder that if you're on social media and you are posting about some of the sessions today, people that you're meeting, use hashtag Dig South so that we can see all of the activity, everything that's going on here throughout the summit. So with that, I want to introduce the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Stanfield Gray. Stan?
Yeah, before the handoff there. All right, here we are, the 10th anniversary Dig South Tech Summit. We are so grateful that you're all here. On behalf of the Dig team, the mighty Dig team has been working insanely hard for many, many weeks to put this together. So thank you right off the top. Now today, we have a huge announcement. And I don't know if anybody saw it in the Post and Courier already this morning. It's incredibly significant, and it travels the entire time span of the decade of years of Dig South. So what I mean by that is John Osborne, one of the founders of the Harbor Accelerator and Entrepreneur Center, was with us at the very beginning 10 years ago, big part of it. Dave Mendez, big part of it, has judged Wild's pitch many times, been involved in many different capacities. Amy Salzhauer, who I met through our kids, I think, on Sullivan's Island, which was fantastic. They are announcing a $102 million venture fund. Good Growth Capital. So let's have a huge round of applause for Good Growth Capital. If you want to come up, sure. So This is the largest in the history of South Carolina. It is exactly what Dig South has been all about for the entire 10 years, helping companies scale, succeed in the South, connect them to the content, the contacts, and the capital opportunities they need to pull it off and scale. So this is an incredible feat. This is going to inject just rocket fuel into our startup ecosystem. It's truly remarkable. John Osborne, Good Growth Capital.
Thanks, buddy. All right, I guess I'll just say a minute. And yeah, like Stan said, 10 years ago, we were just two girls at the bar, dreaming about what the state of the ecosystem here would look like. And it's just been an amazing journey all the way around. And this announcement for Good Growth is such a testament to just the evolution of the scene and what's happening. And everyone in this room and outside the room still waking up is a big part of why this scene is what it is. So it's an absolute privilege to work with such amazing people day in, day out. We all bring a very diverse background and diverse skill set to the team and how we approach investing. And that is really being proven to be an incredible investment thesis, and our returns are speaking for it, which is why, we are honored to have LPs that have blessed us with $102 million to go put to work. So it's a privilege to work with Carolyn and Amy and David, and then up in Boston, Maureen. So, we're really happy to have this come full circle with Dig South. We actually announced the fund 5 years ago that we had a dream and we were going to start doing this. 5 years later, we have over 150 million in assets and over 40 portfolio companies and working on it. So if you're at that place now and you're starting your journey 5 years ago, I want to see you up here and with your accomplishments. So thanks for the opportunity, Stan.
Let's give it up for Good Growth Capital. Carolyn was one of our panelists yesterday as well. All right, one more story, and I promise we'll get on with the show. So many, many moons ago when I was, let's say, 15 or 16, who knows? No, I was running operations for the city of Charleston, Office of Cultural Affairs. They hired me to kind of inject some new energy into the programming and make sure the operations ran smoothly. I used to hang out at this bar called Cumberland's on Cumberland Street. Anybody remember that? Yep. So that was our old haunt. We played music there. And one night somebody said, you got to come over and check out this group, had the Have-Nots. I'd never seen the Have-Nots. They just opened this theater next door to Cumberland's, like 10 feet away. Went over there. I was blown away. It was an incredible show. I laughed for days after that. I met Brandy, who I think I'd met before, Greg and Tavares. They're about to come up. And I immediately the next day went over to the office and I told Ellen Morrill, who was, ran Piccolo Plato and Cultural Affairs. I said, you have got to come see these guys. She goes, oh yeah, I've met them. I've seen them before. They performed at something. It's like, no, you don't understand. They have their own theater now. It's truly incredible. I dragged Ellen down there and these guys launched Piccolo Fringe and they have been just making us die with uproarious laughter ever since. They're one of the most fantastic improv groups and theater experiences in the country. They are definitely the premier venue in Charleston for improv comedy. They do corporate training. They host all sorts of shows, private events, and they're just brilliant, amazing people, really great folks. So without further ado, let's give it up for Theater 99. Woohoo!
Keep it going for Stan Gray, everybody. Come on, Stan Gray. Stan, wow. Good morning. Good morning. How is Friday treating you hungover people? Who was at the party last night? Okay, front row. You guys weren't. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. My name is Greg. Give it up, you for Brandy Sullivan right there. Ali Sylvester right there. And for the next little while, we're going to create an improv comedy show with you guys. We do improv comedy based entirely on your audience suggestion. My job is to make sure you guys can give us audience suggestions. Can you guys yell things out? Can you do it? Okay, wow. Guys, we're so glad you're here. We're so glad you're here. Okay. Yeah, you know what? We're going to meet you where you are, okay, which is right here. Okay, wow. I'm just going to give you some categories. Yell things out in the category. This is an important part of the show because if you can't yell out now, you can't yell out in a second. At the count of three, yell out your hometown. 2, 3, hometown. Sir, yours? Palm Beach. Well, welcome. We're glad you're here, sir. Thank you very much. Palm Beach in the house. New category. How about this? When you were a kid, you had a pet. What was the name of that pet? Say it now. Sir, yours? Didn't have a pet. Okay, yeah. Well, this is an intervention for you to get a pet in your life, sir. Okay, we've got about 15 minutes to get you a dog or a cat. Okay, new category, guys. New category. What was the mascot of your high school? Say it now, sir. Eagle. We're gonna get you an eagle for the name of the show. It's gonna happen. Eagle's gonna happen. How about this? If you could go anywhere in the world for a vacation, where would you go? Fantasy vacation destination. Say it now, sir. Fiji. Give it up for this guy. I'm giving this guy a great hard time. Thank you. I'm not going to bother you anymore, sir. I promise. Guys, are you guys ready for your first improv game in our show? You ready for the first game? Let's get them out here with a big old round of applause. Come on. In this game, what's going to happen is we're going to get a moment for you to get setting for the scene or where it's taking place. They're going to start creating a scene in that location, and then I'll freeze the action several times during the course of the scene, asking you, the audience, what might happen next in that scene. Let's set the scene. Where is the scene taking place? Tell us if we're a town like Las Vegas. Be real specific. Maybe you're on the right there looking out on the Eiffel Tower. What was that, man? In the metaverse. In the metaverse. Las Vegas. So where in the metaverse are they specifically? In English. I need a real specific place.
On a sinking boat.
On a sinking boat.
Hey, good morning.
On a sinking boat. Woo! Maybe they'll work some metaverse for you, man. Okay, but it's going to be on a sinking boat. I'll be stopping in front, asking you what might happen next. You know, now you go to a sinking boat, get it on a round of applause, sinking boat.
So what happened on the metaverse?
Yeah, we left the metaverse a long time ago.
Yeah, we did.
Appreciate you doing this, darling.
Oh,
Keep on wailing.
anything for
Keep
you.
on chugging.
Anything for you. Could you help a little?
Yeah, I'm steering us back.
That's right, baby. That's help.
I feel like Quint in Jaws, but going the opposite direction.
I never-
That direction.
I never saw that movie. I'm terrified of sharks.
That's what we're gonna do on our third day.
Oh.
Freeze! Just then they see something right here off the bow of the boat. What do they see? Shark. They see a shark. They see a shark, guys. Shark.
Asking you shall see. Look at
I love it. You make me face my fears.
there. Jocelyn, let me tell you something.
Benjamin.
I like to call me Benny.
Benny. My little Benny maker.
Oh, yeah. A Charleston local treat. Oh, not too sweet.
My cat.
A little bit of savory. Oh, pick up a bag on your way out of town.
I'm gonna bite you.
Freeze! Ben's got something he's been meaning to say to this woman. What has he been meaning to say to her?
Oh.
He wants to propose to her. That's what's going to happen. Let's see it.
You know what? Jocelyn,
It's Benny.
autopilot. You know,
The song is still coming in.
there you go. A sinking ship is a metaphor for not what our future's going to be.
What?
Yeah. That's why I asked you out here to put a hole in the boat.
To show me that our life doesn't have to be this crappy.
That's right, Jocelyn.
Oh.
I mean, it's going to be dry as a boat.
Oh,
From
that
here on out,
sounds great.
I'm going to kneel down to these 3 inches of water, and I'm going to ask her right there. Jocelyn, I prepare a special song. Jocelyn. Oh, Jocelyn. I'm going to get it freeze and an audience objective right there. Well, I didn't get it, so I'll keep on going.
This is my favorite song. Keep going.
Freeze! He actually proposes with a song. What song does he propose with? American Pie.
I mean, we're singing, but who doesn't have 8 minutes?
So, ladies and gentlemen, we actually ask you to become a part of our show sometimes. And in this next game, we want 2 people to be a part of our show. And so 2 people stand up right now who want to become a part of our improv comedy show.
So easy.
Not everybody at once. It's
No
important.
pressure.
We can't take any more than 2. What's your name, sir? Get over this guy right here. Come on down. Ernest. Give it up for Ernest, everybody. Ernest. Thank you very much. going to stand right there, Ernest. And now one other person volunteers himself by standing up and walking forward. Ernest was so kind as to walking forward now. What's your name, ma'am? Give it over to Jessica, everybody. Stand right here, Jessica. Thank you so much. And you're going to stand right over here, Ernest, if you don't mind. Thanks so much. So here's how this game works, ladies and gentlemen. Jessica, you're kind of aligned with Brandy, if you will, and Ernest, you're kind of aligned with me. Several times during the course of the scene, Brandy will be speaking, and in the middle of her line, she'll pause. That's your cue to fill in the blank, kind of like Mad Libs. And Ernest, you're kind of aligned with me, same deal. You'll fill in the blank with me. Let's do a little rehearsal, Brandy.
Oh, sounds good.
So Brandy's going to give you an opportunity to practice right now. So let's fill in the blank for her, if you don't mind. Here you go, Brandy.
You know what? This is so great for my birthday. You got me
Tonka truck.
Tonka truck.
Oh, see, that's how it's done.
Tonka truck.
Testing. Nope.
I think it's, I don't, there it is. Mine's on.
No, it is not.
Checking.
Thank you so much.
So Ernest, you get an opportunity to do the same thing. You can fill in the blank for me. Hey, honey, look
Yep.
out in the backyard. Somebody built a
Giraffe.
giraffe. So you'll just stay there the entire time, just so you'll just stay there the entire time. Let's inspire this scene with something kind of fun that's going on between these two characters. Maybe we're planning for a dinner party, or we're, I don't know, we're investing $102 for venture capital money. What are we doing? What are we doing in this scene?
Planning a wedding.
We're planning a wedding.
Oh,
Outstanding.
so
You guys have a spokesman, and it's that person right there. Outstanding. We're planning a wedding. Great stuff. Remember, you'll fill the blank for me, Ernest, and Jessica, you'll do it for Brandy. If you would, get a round of applause, please. Honey, I know you want to have a, kind of like a Caribbean theme wedding, but I look at these menus and I don't think my family might not like the spicy food.
Oh, honey, look, it'll be fine since we're not making them go to a destination wedding. You know, we gotta have the food, right?
I love it. This is why I wanted to marry you.
Oh.
Because your imagination, sometimes you just think of the craziest things.
Stop.
I mean, I can't believe you want a themed wedding, and the theme is gonna be
Coconuts.
coconuts.
Right?
A weird theme.
I know,
Real specific.
it's a very miscellaneous fruit, but I really want to get it, I want to get it out there.
Okay.
Baby, I want to give you something. I got you a little early gift. A little early wedding gift.
Oh, thank you. What is it?
Here, it's a
Hula skirt.
hula skirt. Bam. Yeah, don't be surprised, like snakes in a jar.
This reminds me of our third date.
Oh, fun.
my God. I mean, like, I'm kind of spontaneous.
Yes, you are.
Did not expect me to take you to a
Petting zoo.
petting zoo.
No, you're not. Who's my llama? Who's my llama? There he is. There he is. There he is.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I can't wait. I want to marry you right now.
You know what? I know a notary. The person, you know this person. It's
Steve Bob.
Steve Bob. Yeah, two first names, Steve Bob.
We have our family flying in 2 weeks. We have to have.
You're right. That was spontaneous, though,
It
Doug.
was. It was.
It really
My
was.
family has a tradition that I haven't told you about.
Oh, I
It's
love
gotta be
it.
a part of the ceremony.
Yeah.
I'm from Maine.
Uh-huh.
We've got a really important tradition.
Of course.
Every wedding, we have to
Wear our clothes bathrooms.
wear our clothes back.
Oh, that's so mean. I'm trying. Okay, good. I'm not. I was trying to,
If you make
celebrate.
fun of my mother's accent, she will. I'm not sure what she'll
Okay,
do.
no, Doug, I know what you'll do. I know what
We're
you'll
the
do.
worst.
I know, I have the words for what she'll do. She will totally
Somersault backwards for days.
somersault backwards,
Well, she wears backwards clothes.
culottes, and a sweater.
Okay.
Seriously.
I'm sorry, I look on the call there. I just get nervous.
Well, we shouldn't have these wedding meetings at your office, I mean, I can't exactly say that this is the best location. I mean, your office is.
Oh,
In a volcano.
I'm sorry.
You're not communicating. Okay, I couldn't even hear myself.
My thoughts are so loud that sometimes it's completely quiet.
Oh, wait, your office is a
Volcano.
volcano. It's hot as hell in here.
I work at a geothermal plant, okay? And I have a zero carbon footprint.
I know, that's why we're going to Iceland for our honeymoon.
Exactly, I power my plane with geothermal.
You have a plane?
Never told you. I had to hide the fact that I have a plane because I have a secret identity. This is just like Clark Kent. I'm really.
Octopus man.
I'm Octopus Man.
Oh, I can count. Oh, wait, I'm getting Steve Bob.
He's my nemesis. He's my arch nemesis. We're in the multiverse. Let's see you guys. Multiverse, that was for you, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
Multiverse. We don't do a show without giving.
Megaverse, right?
No.
Multiverse?
What did you say?
Something that started with an M.
Say it again. What did you say? You say the.
I thought it was metaverse. I was like, is this a Facebook thing?
Was it the metaverse? No, it's the multiverse.
Yeah, they are. But I heard meta. And that's why I was like in English.
Okay. Oh,
So I was wrong, y'all. You know what? That's a really great moment, a good teachable moment, acknowledging when you're wrong. So how's everybody doing? We a little more awake? Feeling it? Feeling it? Good luck on the pad. It's good stuff. So what we're gonna do now is called New Choice, and Allie and Greg are gonna be in this scene. I'm gonna be on the side over here, and whenever I go, again, the sound is, whenever I do that, whoever spoke last has to make up a whole new line of dialogue and incorporate it into the scene. So with that, let's get something that's going on. What are they doing in this scene? What are they doing that's not sexual? So what was that? Okay, let's hone in on negotiating a deal. What kind of deal? Okay, what kind of business? Did you say logging? Even better. Thank you, Ernest. He comes to play today. So lollipop company business dealing. Greg and Allie, you guys, let's give them some love. What do you say? Come on. There they go.
Amanda, I want to buy this.
I've been waiting for you to say that for a long time.
Oh, well, great. I know I've been just working for you for years.
I've been training you.
Oh, really? That's what you've been calling it?
Yes.
I think it deserves to be mine. I'm willing to offer you $200 billion. $5. Equity that I have currently escrowed at the time I worked.
Sold.
Thank you.
Sold. No way. It's mine forever. Give me all the NFTs.
I can't give those to you.
Because nobody knows what they are, that's why.
That's true.
That's right.
Listen, the reason why I feel like I'm so valuable and that I should own this place, I made a new flavor up. I made up a new shape of lollipop. I made 6 flavorful and the thing you hold the top.
Arnold, it's brilliant.
It is brilliant.
Let me hitch my wagon to your star. Let me ride shotgun. Let me live in your house for free. Come on.
Just like college?
Yes.
In fact, that you can do. You've always inspired me. It's the fact that you built a factory where you had a recipe that inspired me.
Well, the recipe's been around for a long time, but thank you. The recipe I stole from your great-great-grandfather, so this is fair. You never knew that.
My great-great-grandfather was the founder of the confectionery business that I inherited the bedrock for our community here in Hershey. Our community here in Las Vegas. Our community here in Bar Harbor, Maine. It's the multiverse.
It's the metaverse. This is why you were ready to have a company, but it's been yours the whole time. Don't you see? Lollipop, it has your face on it. It's wearing your pants. It has your social security number up the stick.
All of these have my social security.
All of them, Arnold!
Everyone's gonna steal my identity.
Well, I didn't think that one through. I wanted you to know. I wanted a secret way to tell you this was all yours the whole time.
It's all just trial that I had to face. It was all just my origin story. Will you marry me? Oh, yes, all scenes, all comedy ends with marriage. Like ask Shakespeare. Guys, well, I think we will, Brandy. We need 2 audience volunteers. You're going to become a part of this next game. Once again, earlier, Ernest, was that painful when you did that?
Extremely, but it was enjoyable.
Oh, wow, that's not what I thought you were going to say. Wow, social proof, lost it there. I felt like it was. So 2 audience volunteers. Do we, Brandy? I feel like we have to vet these audience volunteers. They're minors. Are we okay with that? They don't work in a mine. Okay. So minors. Yeah. We okay with that? Get up here, guys. Come on up, you human beings. What is your name, young? This is Milo, and your name is? Give it up for Milo and Lance. Stay right up here if you don't mind. Right this way. You're going to stand right over here. We're going to give you guys microphones because that would help you guys be heard. Stand kind of as close as you feel comfortable. Yay. So Milo and Lansley, you're going to be in this scene, okay? You're not going to be playing yourself. You'll be playing a character, okay? So you're not you and you're not you. You're actually a character. These 4 characters, they know each other, and they've done something extraordinary. In our world these days, we do something like they saved a cat from a tree, or perhaps invented a hot air balloon.
Did something in the metaverse.
They did something in the metaverse, for the metaverse. Guys, so what we want to do is give them in a moment what they did. And it's kind of like in our society these days, when you do something extraordinary, there's some YouTube video, you become kind of insta famous, and you're gonna be on a daytime talk show and talk about the thing that you did. And this is that interview on the daytime talk show. So remember, in improvisation, you always say yes to whatever is offered to you. And as we've been exampling for you in this show, and then you add information that makes sense based on that. And remember, you're not playing yourself. And remember, you all know each other. So what's the amazing thing they did? We're not going to do anything life-threatening. Once again, my examples were living on a hot air balloon for a year. Again? They're in a rock band. That's outstanding. Great. And this rock band, they did something extraordinary to make them kind of capture our imagination.
They raised millions of dollars for charity.
And they donated millions of dollars for charity.
We've been all morning. That's awesome.
It's really now. They're a rock band that has donated millions of dollars to charity, and of course they capture our nation's imaginations. And this is the daytime talk show interview. So if you would, guys, give it up to the Rock 4, yeah! I got the Rock 4 here. I know you guys have been on the rock scene for a while, but my gosh, past couple of years, you've changed the world with what we know a rock band can do. You guys have donated millions of dollars to charities. I'm so excited. So tell everybody, if you don't know already, the name of your rock band.
Rock and Give.
Rock and Give. Yeah, Rock and Give. That just goes through what instrument you play on the rock band. What do you play?
Harmonica.
You're the harmonica. What do you play?
The drums.
The drums. Yeah. What do you play?
Play the banjo.
The banjo in this rock band. And what do you play?
Get it out of here.
Oh, there you go. Right. Outstanding. And guys, I'm so excited because just recently you gave $102 million to a charity. Let's talk a second about that charity. I know you're the one that picked the charity, isn't that right? Yeah. What was the charity you had to give that money to?
Saving dogs with 2 legs.
Saving dogs again. Yeah. Specifically, only
Yeah.
3, get out of here. 4, you don't need the money for your 2-legged dog. That's right. And I remember you guys wrote a song about it. What's the name of that song you wrote with those 2-legged dogs?
Rocking Dogs.
Rocking Dogs.
Yeah.
You got rocking with 2 legs. Yeah.
2 hands make a hole.
I love that. That was the name of the album.
Yeah.
I love that. I want to talk about the video that's on YouTube. You guys it's an amazing video. Yeah, you're welcome. And so you guys, during one of your concerts, a dog hopped up on stage to talk about it.
That's right. That's right. That dog came up and owned that stage. We were grateful. We were hoping it would happen, and it did. Yeah, it did.
Hopped up there, and it was one of those songs you hadn't written lyrics to yet, and the dog starts barking into the mic. Isn't that true?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
do a hip repeat, and then the beat, and that jumped up on top of your drum kit. Let's talk about what happened next, man. That was amazing.
Oh, that was a hot dog.
It was a hot dog. It was good. Yeah. Let's talk about, I mean, like, you guys, like, dog, it's become kind of like a mascot for you. I mean, you named that dog, isn't it, right?
Oh yeah, his name is Jimbo.
Jimbo the dog, yeah. And so now Jimbo's on tour with you guys.
Yeah, and our manager Steve Bob really takes care of all of us, and it's been a really great tour.
Oh yeah, definitely. They all take care of us.
Yeah.
I want to talk about the song that's basically been on every American radio station for the past 6 weeks.
Oh yeah, let's talk about that one. Let's say it one word at a time.
Oh, yeah.
Say it.
Rocking.
Dogs.
Rhythm.
Rocky Dog Step Rhythm is a great song. I love it. Rocky Dog Step Rhythm. It's amazing.
We were hanging out in the Metaverse Lounge, and we were just like kind of riffing, and we came up with this.
Let's talk about how you got up
The
singing.
dogs have NFTs, by the way.
Dogs have NFTs?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe they.
Paw prints. Paw prints.
Oh, that's good.
Exactly.
I wonder if you guys would be willing to just sing a tiny bit of that song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's hear a little bit. You guys want to hear a little bit of that song? What's the title of that song again? What's the title?
Rocky Dog Step Rhythm.
Rocky Dog Step Rhythm. All right. Hey, drummer, count us in. Yeah, keep the beat going. That's how the song works. Go on, man, Joe. Let's hear it.
There it is. Yeah. Rock those dogs. Rock those dogs. They got rhythm. They got rhythm rock. Yeah. They got 2 legs. They're ready to go. They're rocking 2 legs. The buzz are trucking round. Yeah.
Give it up for him, guys.
What a pleasure meeting you. Give it up for these guys one more time. Awesome.
I didn't think that was going to happen this morning. Wow, Rocky Dogs have rhythm, guys. They do. They got so much rhythm.
Oh, I think we should do text.
Let's do it, guys.
Yeah.
We need 2 people here to let us use your cell phone. And not just your cell phone, text messages on your phones. So if you're comfortable with us reading your text messages aloud to a bunch of people you don't know, then hold your phone up right now. Yep. Yes. 2 human beings say, I'll do this. This is fun. You just think this. You know what? You're responsible enough to share your text messages with the world. I know it's a highly risky situation. There, that guy right there, that guy does not care about getting his job later. And these 2 guys are going to do it for us. Outstanding, guys. So we have 2. We have 2.
295 unread texts.
Oh, way to go. Wow. That's ballsy right there, guys. That's just ballsy. You're going to read text you haven't even read out loud. This is going to be great, guys. So we're getting those phones. We're going to the text screen, ladies and gentlemen. Here's why. Because every single line of dialogue that Brandy has in the scene, every single line of dialogue that Allie has is going to be a real text message on that real phone. And so we hope the people that gave us their phones today are very irresponsible people. And let's face it, they probably are, because they gave complete strangers their phones. And now I don't have a phone because I have to make the scene make some kind of sense. So I'll be just kind of creating the scene, and they'll be reading these lines of text as dialogue. So these 3 characters, they know each other. Maybe we are on the Oregon Trail, perhaps, or we're planning a bank heist. What is the way that we 3 characters are connected? And we're connected in this way. In prison. It is one of the most popular suggestions for this game, and we will take it, okay? And we will take it. So we are all in prison together. It's just a fantasy of ours coming true. So we're in prison, of course, and these characters can only speak in lines that are from these phones. If you would, guys, please get it going with the big old. Oh, I'd love to, Brady. Yeah, I love to play women. So in this prison, Brandy's character, what type of character is she in the women's prison? She's the cook. Okay, the cook. Way to go. Yes. And Allie here at this women's prison is she's the what? She runs the infirmary. Are you saying she's a drug dealer in the prison? That's what you're saying? I like it. Way to go. We'll figure it out, sir. Thanks so much. All right. So we have the cook and we have the person who gives us drugs. Wow. Thanks a lot, teenagers, for being here. We appreciate it. Yeah. What was that? Okay, great. So we're in a prison. We've got the cook in prison, and we've got the person who is in the infirmary. Guys, if you would, get it going with a round of applause. Come on. I need to get my amoxicillin. I came here to the infirmary to get my amoxicillin.
Maybe for my Mother's Day. Yes, I love to.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh yeah, you know what? I've gotten a lot of the. I just need one. I don't need two. I need two. I don't need two of these. I'll just have one. I've really gotten a lot of the women on my block to create cards for all the different employees here at the prison. There's no reason for us to be angry with each other.
Okay, sweet.
Awesome. Great.
What you doing?
Oh, I'm getting my prescription filled. That's what I'm doing.
Have fun.
Oh, you know what? Thanks a lot for making my favorite meat, making chili con carne. I really. I've got to be honest. I'm planning a breakout tonight, and I need your help.
Are you wearing casual? I'm just gonna do nice and short.
It's definitely going to be a casual breakout. Okay.
I think I hit the nail on the head.
You knew I was going to do this. Okay, listen.
Deer, turkey, alligator, along with coyotes. Or rabbits.
There's so many different wild animals we're going to be cooking. And listen, we can't talk about it. I need your help.
Cash is tight.
I need your help for this plan, okay? You have to create a diversion for me if you don't mind, Alice.
Do you want a Chick-fil-A biscuit?
I definitely want to take my biscuit.
Word.
But I can't stop now. Listen, here's the plan. Midnight, exactly at midnight.
Going to camp.
Nope.
Yes.
No, I'm not. No, tonight. Tonight, I have dug a hole in my cell, and I'm sneaking out at midnight, and I need you to create a diversion, Alice.
Doing some framing work.
Nope, in the kitchen. I need you to have some kind of fire or explosion in the kitchen.
When do you want me to go?
Midnight, at midnight. So at midnight, you create this diversion, and what you've got to do is you've got to open up the infirmary and just dump all the drugs on the floor. And so all the inmates will run for that, and then I'll sneak out.
10-4.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, I do not.
You have to. You have to. You have to.
I took off yesterday.
You're here today.
Did you get the boot? I'm excited about the first week.
I'm excited about my first week of being free.
Not sure.
I have been in this prison for 5 years, and I have 5 more years that I'm getting out of here. Look, I've got a shiv. A shiv?
I'm in a smart car.
No, you're not. You're right here with me. Okay, this is my smart car.
When is the convention you talked about in Steamboat?
Listen to me right now. The convention is midnight tonight in my prison's house.
On our way.
Thank you. All right, listen, you come. You're saying that you will actually throw the drugs out of the infirmary.
I have a headache.
I have a headache. I have had it for 5 years.
Nailed it.
Thank you.
I won't need it.
I don't need a sandwich. I want that biscuit.
Love it.
You got it. All right, listen. You know what? Let's not do it tonight. Let's do it right now.
Please email this to me.
I cannot email you my prison breakout plan. I need some. Thank you very much. It's everything. Thank you very much. Listen, I'm getting out of here right now.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas to you. Listen, I need your help, guys. Could you help me, please?
Sorry, I'm trying to help.
Well, then, I need you to start that fire right now.
No worries.
Yes. How are conditions?
Conditions, I'm still in prison. That's the condition.
I have a backup plan.
Tell me about it now.
Yep.
Let's see. Guys, our time. Give it up for our volunteers, if you don't mind. They did a great job. So many wonderful volunteers. Thank you very much for being volunteers. Gosh, we had so much fun doing this for you guys. We hope you have an opportunity to come and see us at Theater 89. We're almost across the street, guys. We're just that way. So if you're local, come and see us. 10 years, guys. 10 years. Yay, Dick. Thank you guys very much. Something else is going to happen now that I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm going to keep walking off. Here we go. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Baby, as long as I feel. Well, I don't mind working. I'll be your slave. Just Just call me, baby.